Hi, today I will be doing an unboxing video of the Sunbeam Induction Cooker. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. If you like my videos, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Everything is neatly packed. Let's remove it from the plastic and take a closer look. There is a manual included where you can find more information on all the built-in functions. Let's take a closer look at the box. It's neat and lists all the features of this induction cooker. Now for the exciting part, let's untangle the power cord and give it some power so we can test it out. The back of the induction plate is very well round off. It also includes a fan that will help with the cooling of this cooker. The sensor touch controls includes 5 cooking functions, timer, a child lock, and more. Don't forget to read through the instruction manual, it contains important information. I'm setting the function to boiling water. An induction cooker only activates once a metal object like your pan makes contact with the plate. For safety, never touch the plate surface. Once your pan makes contact, you can see the cooker activates. It is currently set to 2000 watts. Let's melt some butter and see how long it takes. Remember to never touch the plate surface. I'm doing it here so you don't have to. It's not hot at this stage, but with longer cooking durations, it will be hot and could leave some serious scars. Let's see how long it will take to boil a little bit of water. It should be fairly quick. Roughly 10 seconds. Now let's fill the pan's bottom with water and see how long that would take to boil. Leave your guess in the comments section below, and let's see who is the closest. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking related videos. Happy cooking everyone!